Hi, it's Mitz from My Life Mitz. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today I want to do an unboxing, or I guess unbagging. I don't know. I haven't looked at it yet. I did a previous video sharing with you what I use for my work planner, and so I use this Mujirushi or Muji A5 weekly / monthly journal insert, or journal I suppose, planner. And I don't know, I kind of want to switch things up a bit. I believe the weekly will end in July, maybe beginning of August. But anyways, I thought I would purchase the very famous Jibun Techo. It was on sale on Amazon, and that's probably one of the reasons why I went for it. I have this as a comparison. This is in the regular B6 size, but I actually didn't know this. The Jibun Techo comes in a A5 Slim, so I wanted to share with you what it looks like. And I ordered it in the Biz, or I guess people would say Bees, I'm not sure. So this is the A5 Slim, and this is the B6 size. Originally, I found out about the Jibun Techo. I mean, I've seen it around online, but I guess I had a first glance at it, like a hands-on experience, when I met up with Courtney Diaz, and she has it, I believe, in the B6 Slim, and I felt like it was a bit too small for me. I needed more like a big open space like this, and this is my first time trying an A5, and I really enjoy having this really big open space, as well as the monthly. And then as well as the monthly, I just keep like the YouTube schedule and things like that. But so yeah, I really enjoy this really big size. And I don't know, I don't know why I just thought that the Jibun Techo came in the B6 Slim, but when I found out there was an A5 Slim available, I went for it. So let's open it up. It was on Amazon, and I believe it was 1,700 yen. So almost half off from this price here. So I snatched it up, and I kind of wanted the Bees or the Biz version of it. I don't care too much about the coloring of it, but this is nice, and you'll see that it doesn't have any color. So this is the back part. This is the packaging, and then this is the front. And I believe this is, some people will remove this planner from the cover. This one is the red cover, and the cover is just like a plastic, and has a pocket there. This is a nice red. I thought it would be a lot lighter. It's like a nice deep cherry red maybe. But yeah, it has pockets. 3 pockets here, and then one big one back here. I think I'm going to take it out of the pocket and then put it into my traveler's notebook from Leather Quill Shop, and even has a pen loop too. That's neat. So I don't know if I'm going to go through everything. Oh, look at this. This is like an example of how you can optimize your planner. Right off the bat, the paper is very smooth. Oh, this is really smooth. It's really nice. It's very slick. Yeah, I don't want to do a flip through of every single page, because I'm sure there's tons and tons of YouTube videos sharing with you the layout of the Jibun Techo. But yes, this is the Biz in the A5 Slim, and so there's no coloring. I mean, there's a slight tinge of blue and red for the weekend, for Saturday and Sunday, but in general there's no coloring here. I think if I were like, if my kids were younger, I would actually really utilize this timeline, like feeding times and diaper changes and things like that. I would really utilize this timeline. I might fill it in for like sleeping time, because my sleeping time is all over the place. Well, it's not all over the place, but it's not enough. I'm not sleeping enough, and I think if I see like a visual thing every day, a visual reminder of how much I'm not sleeping, it would kind of help me get to bed earlier. But yeah, I think I don't know, first impressions, I'm very, very impressed. I'm kind of sad that all of these pages are going to waste because it started in January. So I can start in June, but all this paper is going to waste. Maybe I'll rip them out just so that I can have a lighter load. I'm not sure yet. I don't want to break up the spine though. Oh, it has there's book, I see like a bookmark in there. But anyways, let's quickly put it in the traveler's notebook so you can see what it looks like. So once again, that's the sizing of the A5 Slim compared to the B6. Maybe I should take it out of this plastic. I don't think I'm going to use this plastic. I know some people like sell these, oh, I really like it just like this. This is really nice. I don't need the plastic at all. I really like it just like this. This is a really nice look. I know some people sell this plastic cover on Mercari, which is like an online site, kind of like an eBay. I don't know if I'm gonna use this, but let's switch her up. I even have my Muji planner still in the plastic. I should have taken it off. I think I just felt like it was more sturdy that way. So there's the size comparison. This is the Muji in the A5, and this is the A5 Slim. Let me show you in centimeters. I don't know if you're interested, but 13 centimeters as opposed to 15, and 21 centimeters high. Sorry, this ruler doesn't have inches, but let's see how. I'll put one side in here. I think I need a folio. Oh, I think I need a folio. I need to get an A5 folio. It's pretty sturdy in there. I don't know if I want to put both sides down. I kind of like this. Maybe this is too big. This cover is too big. I know I want to put this one in there too. I'll just put it here for now. On this side. Maybe the cover is too big for this. Unless I decide to put in some other notebooks, like an A5 notebook on in between or in the front. It's a bit too big. Not a big deal. I can I'll stick my pen in there. It covers my pen nicely. But in the meantime, this is the only A5 cover I have. It's a beautiful, beautiful cover. But maybe I will look for an A5 Slim. Is that even does that even exist? I don't know if there's an A5 Slim notebook cover. But this paper is really nice. It's very smooth. Sorry, I'm out of frame. I'm super excited to get started with it. The paper is not as thin as I thought it would be, which is fine. I don't mind it at all, but yeah, I'm just kind of sad that all of the sections in the front, they're gonna go to waste. Maybe I'll rip them out and put them into like journals or something, junk journals. But yeah, if you have a Jibun Techo, or if you have a video showcasing your Jibun Techo, please let me know. Before purchasing this Jibun Techo, I watched a lot of videos, and they have some really, really great ones out there. But if you have one about showing your Jibun Techo as well and sharing your setup, please do let me know, and I love to watch. But yeah, so there is my quick, I guess, unboxing and share. This is the A5 Slim Jibun Techo in the Biz version, in the business version. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.